Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans, yeah! If you guessed it, it's another whatnot video. Woo! Oh yeah! Today, I got one box and one box only. But first, I would like to say thank you to my good buddy, Viper. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have gotten these plastic things. For my Optimus Prime and other Hot Wheel trucks. Thank you. His link will be down below for YouTube. And this video is brought to you by from Junior. Alright, Jelly Beans. His link will be down below for whatnot, and so will mine. So you can join my link and get yourself a $10 in-app credit. Oh yeah. I'll be right back. Alright everybody, box is still unopened. About to rip it open. It should be a nice short video. Try not to drag it on with the tape, because the tape was pretty easily being able to be ripped open. Oh yeah, what do we got here? What do we got here? What do we got here? We got some JL. If you don't know what JL is, Johnny Lightnings. Right here, we got a 1971 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. Oh yeah. Thank you, Junior, for getting the staples out of the cards. I don't know why anybody put staples in here, or would put staples inside these cards. Like, I don't get it. Junior didn't do it. It's how he received them. Thank you very much, Junior. I appreciate these. This Hemicuda looks pretty nice. Oh, yes. Junior's link for whatnot will be down below. Ooh, I'll save this one for last. We got a we got a Pam Anderson from VIP Prowler. It's called Quick's Prowler. It's a Plymouth Prowler, if you don't know what that is. It's a nice car. I'm going to get this price tag off because I don't like stickers. I hate stickers, and price tags should not be on these things at all. Give me a oh hell yeah if you agree with that downstairs in the comment section. Ooh. That's a nicey. 1950 Chevy Suburban. Johnny Lightning. What's a nice thickum card? That's a nice thick card. I like that. That's pretty sweet. I like that. What is this? Oh, what do you know? Highway Rapid. Hot Wheels. Highway. Dirt. Hot Wheels Rapid Recycling. This thing is so friggin' light. No wonder why it lost in the drag race. What the heck, man? What's going on, Hot Wheels? Ugh. Oh, yeah. All right, here we go. Last Johnny Lightning. 1977 Dodge Monaco. Taxi. More staples. You can see them. You know, the person who stapled these things is a real true butthole. That's another thing should not be put on these things. Staples. Why would you staple or put tape on these things? Why? Stickers? No! No! Well, anyway, that is the show. Thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Peace. Don't forget to check out the links down below. Peace.